to complete exercise 10B, question 3 and 4. Question number 3. AB is parallel CD. Find the value of unknown. This is our figure and here are how many unknowns are. First we see where the parallel lines. This line and this line are parallel line because arrows are shown on here. And second, there are two transversal lines. Don't mix them between each other because this is a different parallel line. If I extended this and this extend, they will go to on this, and they are two different parallel transversal lines. So first we see what is our A. In this we see one F is here. When we find the F, as you know, when we find the F, there will be corresponding angle. So A is equal to 38. The reason we give, they are corresponding angles. And second is, in this we see this F, this angle, this now not one angle, these both angles which are included here. So A plus 30 equal to 2B. A plus 30 equal to 2B. And they are also corresponding angles. Now we solve it. We put the value of A here. 38 plus 30 equal to 2B. Now we solve as equation. 68 equal to 2B and B is equal to 68 divided by 2, and in this way B is equal to 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8, 34. This is your answer of A and B. These are your answers. And in the B part, you see these are two parallel lines and one transversal line. PQ is transverse, it means cut these two parallel lines at 2D and 7C. 2D equal to 7C. What do you think? This is equal to this angle. They are vertically opposite. But there are two unknowns. First we solve one unknown and then the second. Now 7C. You see F is here. 7C is equal to 140. So C is equal to 140 divided by 2 divided by 7, 20. C is 20. Now you can, they are corresponding angles. Now 2D is equal to 7C. Now we put the value of C here, and we also know 7C equal to 140. 2D is equal to 140 and D is equal to 140 divided by 2 equal to 70. In this way we find our both D and C. C is 20 and D is 70, our answer. Part C, we see AB parallel to CD and they made Z here. So Z are always alternate and alternate angle are always equal. You write 2F plus 6 equal to 3F minus 23. Now you do the question. You take 2F minus 3F and minus 6 minus 23. And this is minus F and minus 29. Minus minus cancel on each side and F is equal to 29 is your answer. Question number 4. AB parallel to CD. Find the unknown. Now in this question, AB parallel to CD and E is here and A is our unknown. Only one unknown is here. This is a special type of angle. When you see this picture, this is equal to, simply we can do this question with two methods. Just you write it A plus 142 plus 114 equal to 360, because there are one interior angle, second interior angle, and they are two interior angle are equal to 360, and in this way A plus 256 equal to 360, and A is equal to 360 minus 256 equal to 104 is your angle. This is the one way you can do this, and the second way, the simple, you learn it. These are two special type of your angles. When you see this type of angle, the shape this, you add up and put them up to 360, and when you see this type of angle, this B is equal to this plus this equal to this B. In the previous video you can see these special type of angle, otherwise you can solve them, or this question you can do like this. If you draw it little bit more, extend it, you find this and this angle 142. This is a straight line angle. Straight line angle, if I say this C and this is D, then C plus 142 equal to 180, straight line angle. C is equal to 180 minus 142, and this is equal to 38. And the same way D is equal to 180 minus 114, because D plus 114 equal to 180, and this is equal to 66. Now this is 66. Now I solve here, and this is 38. This makes Z here. Half portion of A is 38 and half portion of this second Z is here. Half portion of A is 66. So we can say A is equal to 38 plus 66, and they are 104 again. So we can do this question with both methods. This is the easy way. When you see this shape, you put them 360, because two interior angle are equal to 360. We put them equal to 360 and solve our question. In the same way, this is the second question. Give me tester. And this is the second question. We do it is as a special case. We know when the shape is like this. I tell you before this. This one A, this one B, and if this is C, so we can say C is equal to A plus B. Now our condition is B is equal to this plus this. We solve it easily. B is equal to 69 plus 37, and we get the answer. 106 is your answer. And the same way, if you do it with the second method, you extend it and made it supplementary angle. 180 minus 37, get one angle here, and two portion of B, one, this angle is equal to this. This is simple. This is 37, you cut it here, and B ka half portion is 37 and the half portion is 69. So B is equal to 37 and 69, and you got 106. Thank you.